Hey guys, welcome to today's new video. I am outside here, and the reason why I'm outside is because in today's video I will be reviewing some swimming goggles because I need them. The ones I had before, they literally broke. I'm not even kidding. They did. So I'm going to be unboxing it. Well, I'm gonna be sealing it, and then I'm gonna go swimming with them. So yeah. So here I am. I'm gonna put them on. So here's it is. It's anti-fog. It's protection. Can I remove this wrapping? Let's do a satisfying peel. Oh, that wasn't even a peel. But here it is. I got the blue and light blue. So now I'm gonna get in the pool. So right here is my pool. So it looks like I got the filter up and ready. There's no bugs in it, and I have pool lights, but you guys can't really see because it's daytime right now. But I do have pool lights, and here's my filter right here. So yeah, and then I'm gonna go swimming. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do a cannonball. Okay, so here I am. Ooh, the water is so cold. So here I am. Doesn't these look familiar? I'm gonna put. The thing is handy. So I'm gonna put this on. Jump scare warning. Here I am. I'm gonna try to do a jump scare, and I wonder if my phone's gonna fall in the pool. But I don't really care if it does. Okay, so here I am. Wow, it looks so cool with the bubbles. I like it with my pool. So I am going to do a cannonball while I have my phone in my hands. So that's what I'm gonna do. So right here is my goggles. As you guys can see, it's slowly turning dark, like it's sunsetting right now. Ooh, that light on the water, I like it. So I'm trying to recreate Billie Eilish's album cover for the new one for Hit Me Hard Yourself. And I'm gonna try to do that at a very low budget. So here we go. I got Athena. Wow! She's splashing. Can you swim? Oh my god, there! I have Athena.